Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how you can add fake camera flashes on any video clip using DaVinci Resolve very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the edit page, you have to import your media file. Here is the clip I am gonna use. As you can see, there is no kinda flash effect. So first go to the effects and search for a adjustment clip, and if search result is not visible, make sure the all folders have been checked. Now drag it on the main clip, and now open in the color tab. Here you can see the gain and increase the gain level around 1.60. Okay, now back to the edit tab and trim down the size as low as possible. And now adjust the fade in and out value into the middle of this adjustment clip like this way. So here you can see the flash effect. Now we have simply do the copy and paste this adjustment clip onto a timeline like this. You have to place the clip where you want that effect. So I'm quickly copying this onto my timeline. Now let's check it how it's gonna look. As you can see, that is it looks so awesome and realistic. So if you learned anything from this video, make sure to hit that like button, and I will see you in the next one.